Hello everyone, welcome to TQ Paid Classes, an initiative by the TQ faculties. I am Nihit Bhatnagar. I have completed my MTech from IIIT Gwalior in Digital Communication in 2014. I have qualified GE exam 6 times. At present, I am working as an assistant professor at SAT Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh. I have more than 4 year teaching experience. So this is the 12th lecture of the lecture series of random variable and random process. Question. So two random variables x and y have x bar equal to, it means mean of x, mu of x, it is mu of x is equal to half expectation x bar whole square, x bar whole square, x bar means mean and square means mean square value, it means expectation of x square, it is expectation of x square and this is expectation of x. Then y bar, it means expectation of y, y bar square, it means expectation of y square. Then cxy, cxy means covariance, cov xy or sigma xy, sigma xy, and covariance of xy, that is these are values are given. Then the values of sigma x square, sigma y square, rxy, rxy means correlation, and that is equal to expectation of x into y, expectation of x into x y. And rxy, it means correlation coefficient, it is correlation coefficient, correlation coefficient. Okay, so you have to find these four values in part A. So at first part, sigma x square, that is equal to expectation of x square minus whole square of expectation of x, then expectation of x square equal to 5 by 2 minus expectation of x, that is equal to half, and half to half ka square, half square equal to 5 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 4, that is equal to 10 minus 1 equal to 9 by 4 equal to 9 by 4. So the so it may become option C or become D. The option A and option B एलिमिनेट हो गए आपके, ऑप्शन ए और बी आपके एलिमिनेट हो गए. नाउ सिग्मा वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ वाई स्क्वायर माइनस एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ वाई होल स्क्वायर. ओके, what is the value of expectation of y square? That is, it's 19 by 2 minus expectation of y is 2, that is 2 square equal to 19 by 2 minus 4, so equal to 19 minus 8 divided by 2, it's equal to 11 by 2. So sigma y square equal to 11 by 2. So in both option C and D, sigma x square, sigma y square, it matches in option C and D. Okay, and already option A and B are eliminated. Okay, the answer will be either C or D. Now moves toward rxy. So rxy, it's equal to correlation of x and y, and that is equal to expectation of x into y. Okay, so for this we know the formula of covariance. So covxy or sigma xy, that is equal to minus 1 upon 2 root 3, and that is equal to expectation of xy minus expectation of x into expectation of y. Okay, so we have to find this value of y. Okay, then expectation of x y, it's equal to expectation x y equal to from this it's become expectation of x into expectation of y minus 1 upon 2. Then put the value of expectation of x, that is equal to half, and expectation y is equal to 2, so that is equal to 2 multiply half minus 1 upon 2 root 3. So half से half cancel हो गया, it's equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 root 3. So half common ले लेते हैं, तो make half as a common, take half as a common, then it's equal to 2 minus 1 upon root 3. So for this correct answer is this option C. So our correct answer from because A is already disqualified, B is also eliminated, and D from answer will be either C or D, but from the value of x rxy it's equal to half into 2 minus 1 upon root 3. So correct answer is C. So for time being, now we can also find rho xy. Rho xy, it is called correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient, and that is equal to sigma xy upon sigma x into sigma y. So sigma xy, what is the value sigma? That is equal to minus 1 upon 2 root 3 upon sigma x. Sigma x, this is the for this is the value sigma x square, this is the value sigma y square. So that is equal to root 9 by 4 into root 11 by 2. Okay, that's equal to minus 1 upon 2 root 3 multiply, it's equal to 4 by 9 multiply 2 by 11. Okay, so 4 से 4 कैंसिल हो गया. ओके, इक्वल टू 3 आपका अंदर चला गया, सो बन गया माइनस, ये बन जाएगा आपका रूट के अंदर, एंड ये रूट जो 1 ये रूट 9 बाहर आ जाएगा, 3 अंदर चला गया, तो ये बन गया 2 upon 1/3 minus 1/3 minus 1/3 2 upon root 3, तो ऑप्शन C. So the correct answer of this part A is option C. Now moves towards parts second. The mean value of the random variable W, this mean value, it means expectation of W, expectation W, and what is the value of W? That is x plus 3y whole square plus 2x plus 3. Okay, now make this to open this whole square, that is become expectation of, it's equal to x square plus 9y square plus 6xy plus 2x plus 3. Okay, equal to, it's equal to expectation of x square, then plus 9 expectation of y square, then plus 6 expectation of x and y, plus 2 expectation of x plus 3. Okay, then expectation of x square, that is equal to 5 by, that is equal to 5 by 2 plus then 9 into expectation, 9 to expectation of y square, that is equal to 19 by 2. Okay, plus 6 into expectation of xy, that is equal to rxy, and for option for the part A, it is equal to half into, so it's equal to 6 into half into 2 minus 1 upon 3 plus 2 into expectation of x, expectation of x equal to half, so it's become 2 into half plus 3. Okay, then equal to 5 by 2 plus 171 divided by 2, 171 divided by 2, then plus plus 3 times this becomes 6 minus 6 minus root 3, half से half cancel, is equal to 1 plus 3, so equal to 1 is 176 by 2. This become 88, this to become 88 plus 6 minus root 3 plus 4, that is equal to 98 minus root 3, that 98 minus, the correct option is option B. The correct answer is part second is option B. Okay, this question was asked in GATE EC 2003. GATE EC 2003. Okay, let x and y be two statically independent random variable with uniformly distributed in the range -1 to 1. It's for the random variable x, and -2 to 1 it's for random variable y respectively. Then z equal to x plus y. z जो random variable है आपका वो x plus y से मिलके बना है, summation से बना है. Then find the probability that z is less than equal to -1. Okay, so before starting this question we have to we just recall the properties which we discussed in earlier classes. These two properties will helpful for our upcoming questions. If random variable z that is equal to x plus y, where x and y are mutually independent, this is the key condition. Okay, random variable, then PDF of z is equal to the convolution of PDF of x and PDF of y. So if a random variable framed by the help of addition of two random variable, so that the new random variable PDF can be obtained by the convolution of another two random PDF of random variable. And if a random variable z that is x minus y and x and y are mutually independent, this also identically in IDID मतलब identically independent. Okay, it's also mean that ये key condition है, ये होना बहुत जरूरी है. Then random variable PDF of z, the PDF of random variable z is obtained by the correlation of x and y random variable. PDF of random variables, x random variable और y random variable का correlation हम z random variable फाइंड कर सकते हैं जो x माइनस वाई से बना है. ओके, कोरिलेशन में हम क्या करते हैं, जो आपका जो एफ ऑफ एक्स होता है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आपको एफ ऑफ एक्स और एफ ऑफ वाई कोरिलेशन करना है, तो एफ ऑफ वाई को आप क्या करते हैं, इसकी स्केल को चेंज कर देते हैं, इसके स्केल को रिवर्स कर देते हैं, टाइम रिवर्सल कर देते हैं. सिग्नल सिस्टम में जैसे हमने पढ़ा था टाइम रिवर्सल, टाइम रिवर्सल लगा देते हैं. ओके, इन दो प्रॉपर्टीज का यूज करेंगे आने वाले क्वेश्चंस में. ओके, फॉर एक्स random variable f of x that is equal to that is for x minus 1 to 1, it means range from here -1 and here +1. So its magnitude and uniform, it means its magnitude is constant, and the different then its range is it's equal to half, and that is f x of small x. It means equal to half and is 0 otherwise. It's equal to otherwise. Then f y of y, fi of y, fi of y. It's also uniform distributed between the range x from -2 to 1. So it's become, here is minus 2, here is 1. So it's like, and it is also uniform distributed. So it's like this f of y. So its difference is 1 by 3. So it's equal to 1 by 3. So it's equal to 1 by 3 and 0 otherwise. 0 otherwise. So z is a random variable that is framed by x plus y. So f of z. So PDF of z random variable, that is equal to convolution of f of x into convolution of random variable PDF ऑफ रैंडम वेरिएबल y. इनका आपस में क्या कन्वोल्यूशन होगा. इट मीन दोनों सिग्नल्स का, आप दोनों जो PDF है आपका, आपको इनका क्या करना पड़ेगा, कन्वोल्यूशन करना हो. फॉर एग्जांपल यू हैव टू कन्वोल्यूट दिस टू सिग्नल, दिस xt एंड yt. आपको xt और yt का कन्वोल्यूशन करना है. सो लेट zt विद अ न्यू सिग्नल jet, जो फ्रेम हो रहा है कन्वोल्यूशन ऑफ xt इनटू कन्वोल्यूशन ऑफ yt. Convolution of xt and yt. Okay, this, or the condition is there that t1 is duration of x, t1 is the duration of xt, and the t2 is the duration of signal yt. If t1 is greater than t2. Okay, for this you have to always memorize that the result zt, the result zt, it's always a trapezoidal. It's always a trapezoidal, such like that the whole duration, its whole duration is t1 plus t2. Its whole duration is t1 plus t2. And this linear range, for this linear range, its duration is the duration of that signal which is duration is smaller. So that is t2. That duration is t2, and this duration is also t2. Okay, this duration of t2, and this duration is also t2, and the complete duration of the signal is t1 plus t2. So you can know very well that so this duration is, what is the value, what is this duration? And the magnitude of this point is equal to a1 into a2 into t2. It's equal to the magnitude of x first signal and second signal, the duration which is smaller, which was smaller. Okay, so the convolution of these two rectangular pulses is trapezoidal, and the complete duration of that signal is given plus t2, and the linear range of this linear region is the duration of another signal whose duration is small, that is t2, and that is t2. That's, and the magnitude of this trapezoidal is a1 into a2 into t2. Okay, by the help of this trick, this result, we can solve our problem. Okay, so by the help of this, you can find the value. The complete range of z. Okay, and okay, this duration is so you can also find that you can add -1 and -2, that is equal to -3. That is equal to -3, and adding +1 and +1, that is equal to 2. That is 2. Here the duration is 3, and here the duration is 2. So we have to pick the duration which is smaller, that is 2. So and the minus form minus sheet if we reduce by 2 unit, so that becomes minus 1. If 2 is reduced by 2 unit, that is become 0. In this region, and in this region from minus 1 to 0, that the magnitude is flat, and minus 3 to minus 1 and from 0 to 2 is follow the linear region, straight line. Okay, this will become the PDF of f of z. This will become the PDF of f of z, and the magnitude of this is equal to a1 into a2 into the duration, which is small. The magnitude is equal to half 1 by 3 into the least duration is 2. Cancel. That is equal to 1 by, that is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Probably that is minus 1 is there, and we have to find the value of this. And you can say it's equal to integration minus 3 to 1 f of z or z dz, or it is equal to area the curve with z minus 3 to minus 1. So minus 3 to minus 1. Okay. So area of triangle, so my area of triangle is equal to half into that width is 2 half into height is equal to 1 by 3. So cancel, that is equal to 1 by 3. Correct answer of this question is option. Correct answer of this question is option 3. Now move toward another question. So this question was asked in GATE AC 2014. That x1, x2 and x3 be the independent identical distributed random variable with uniform distribution on 0 to 1. The probability of probability that x1 is largest is x1 की largest होने की probability क्या होगी? तो x1, x2, x3 जो है आपके वो क्या है? Uniformly identically independent IID. IID means independent identically distributed. Okay. So let for x1 is largest. So what are the possibilities that let's say x1 is largest? So x1 is largest. Now x2 can be large from x3, or x3 can be large from x2. What are the probabilities? What are the possible cases? Or now let x2 will be largest. So that x3 can be large from x1, or x1 can be large. Now let x3 is largest. So x1 can be large from x2, and x2 can be large from x1. So these are the 6 possible cases. So probability that x1 is largest. Total of possible cases are 6, and the favorable cases are 2. Our favorable cases are 2. That is equal to cancel 3 1 by 3. So the answer of this question is 1 by 3, or is equal to 0.33. That is 0. So this question is 0.33. So if you अगर इस क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा मॉडिफाई करें, so if x1, x2, x3 and up to xn, they are IID. It means identically independent distributed. They are IID. So what is the probability that probability P that x of I is largest. X of I is largest, and where I is varying from 1 to n. So any value of I, it means either 2, I2, x2, x3, xn minus 1, x4, whatever. What is the probability that xi is largest? So in this case, the answer is, and there should be a condition that they are IID, identically independently distributed. So the correct answer for this question, correct answer is n. If there are n random variables, the correct answer is n. So for this, if this question can be extended up to this level. This question can be extended up to this level. So the correct answer is 1 by n. And for this question, particular question, for this particular question, the answer is 1 by 3 or equal to 1 by 3. So this question was asked in GATE Instrumentation 2012. Okay. Two independent random variables x and y are uniformly distributed in the interval from -1 to 1. The probability that maximum of xy is less than half. So this question also gives you the clue. Question also give you the clue. So maximum of x comma y, the probability that maximum xy is less than half is only and only possible because x and y are independent if probability of x is less than half multiply probability of y is less than half itself by itself. So you can say it is also equal to integration minus infinite to half the PDF of x dx into minus infinite to half PDF of y dy. Okay, now PDF of x and PDF of y, they are identically independent, so they are look like from -1 to 1, and magnitude is half, so it's equal to the integrations break bit. So now you have to calculate the area. You have to calculate the area from here. Here is half up to this region for this region. Okay, so the integration become from -1 to half PDF is half and it is dx into integration -1 to half PDF is half and it is dy. It's equal to half of बाहर लिए तो यहाँ पे बन गया आपका 1/4. Then it's become x and range from -1 to half and y is range from -1 to half equal to 1/4 bracket. If you put the limit, this become 3/2 and it also become 3/2. That is become 9/16. That's become 9/16. So correct answer is option B. Most over the another topic, that is transformation of random variables. Transformation of random variable. इसमें फर्स्ट टॉपिक आज स्टडी करेंगे. नाउ वी स्टडी टुडे द वन टू वन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. वन टू वन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, you can say linear transformation. If x and y are two random variables related as y equal to g of x, y is a function of x in linear equation, then one value of y is corresponding to one value of x. तो वन टू वन मैपिंग जो होती है, ऐसे वो वन टू वन मैपिंग you can say it is one to one mapping or linear transformation. You can say it is linear transformation. Okay, so x equal to g inverse of y. X equal to g inverse of y. This yields single root. For example, there is a y equal to ax plus b. Ax plus b. to find the root of this equation, that is x equal to y minus b upon a. This is a single root of x. Single root of x. So so the new random variable y, its PDF can be find by the help of f of x PDF of x upon dy by dx of derivative of that equation, and put the value of x in term of y. Put the value of x in term of y in this expression. So the PDF of y is equal to f of x PDF of x upon dy by dx, that equation, that is in modulus form, and put the value of x, that is which is was in term of y. Now we can take the question. If x is a Gaussian random variable which is zero mean and variance equal to 1, variance equal to 1, then find, and y equal to 3x plus 2, then obtain the PDF of y. Obtain the PDF of y. So if x is a normal or Gaussian distribution, so y, that is equal to 3x plus 2. It is the linear transformation. So by the linear transformation, we have said that y is also a Gaussian random variable. Gaussian random variable. It's also a Gaussian random variable. So by the help of process, जो हमने 1-to-1 transformation पढ़ा कि f of y, PDF of y, it's equal to PDF of random variable x upon dy by dx modulus, and put the value of x in term of g of y, g of inverse of y. Okay. As we see here, f of x, it is equal to 1 upon root 2 pi e to the power minus x square by 2, e to minus x square by 2. Okay, so because mean is 0 and variance is 1, f y of y equal to, put the value of x here, 1 upon root 2 pi e to the power minus x square by 2, okay, upon y equal to 3x plus 2. So dy by dx equal to 3, that is mod 3 upon, and here x equal to y minus 2 by 3, y minus 2 by 3. Put the value here. So f of y is equal to 1 upon 2 pi, then e to the power minus, put the value of x here, that is y minus 2 whole square upon 2 into 9, and this mod 3, and here is mod 3. You can see here it can be also written as 2 pi, mod 3 को अंदर लेगा तो 9 बन गया, e to the power minus y minus 2 whole square upon 2 into 9. Okay, you can see here this is equal to the variance sigma x square. This is belong from mean mu, and this is also the sigma x square. So now from this you can say that y is a also Gaussian integral with mean 3, mean 2, with mean 3, with mean 2, and variance as a 9. Variance as a 9. Now you can find this also in a second method. Then first we find the mean of y, that is equal to expectation of 3x plus 2 equal to 3 expectation of x plus 2 expectation of x equal to 0, so it's become mean is equal to 2. Now find mean square value expectation. Now find the value of expectation of x square, mean square value of y. Now find sigma y square, that is expectation of y square minus expectation of y whole square, that is, let's now put the value of expectation of y square, that is, I will write directly, that is 9x square, that is 4, that is 6x minus expectation of x square is equal to 4. You can say it is, I will not write minus expectation of x is 3x plus 2 whole square, expectation of 9 expectation x square plus 4 plus 6 into expectation of x, that is 0, minus this become 9 expectation of x whole square minus 4, 4 से 4 कैंसिल हो गया, equal to 9 कॉमन लिया, it's become expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square, that is equal to 9 into sigma x square, and it is equal to 9 into 1, that is equal to 9. So you can see here that y f of y is also a Gaussian variable with mean 2 and variance is equal to 9. This is another question of one-to-one transformation or linear transformation. X is the uniformly distributed random variable in the interval from -1 to 1. Then if y equal to 3x plus 2, then obtain the PDF of y. So the PDF of y is f of y, that is equal to PDF of x upon dy by dx, and it is given that x equal to g inverse of y. Here x equal to y equal to y equal to 3x plus 2. From this y minus 2 by 3 equal to x. Okay, and we know very well f of x is equal to is equal to from -1 to 1, and its magnitude is equal to half. And so there, so why, if x is ranging from -1 to 1, so by the help of y equal to 3x plus 2. Now the range of y is become, from, put the value minus 1 and plus 1 here, it's become minus 1 to 5, minus 1 to 5. Okay, so it's equal to, put the value of f of x, that is equal to half upon dy by dx. So if you find the derivative of dy by dx, and it's in the mod, is equal to 3, so that is equal to 3. Put the value of x, that is equal to that y minus 3, y minus 2 divided by 3. Okay. And where y range from where to where, y ranging from minus 1 to 5, that is equal to 1 by 6, where y is range from where to where, minus 1 to 5. So if you plot this, here is so f y of y, that is equal to 1 by 6, where y is ranging from minus 1 to 5. So if you plot this, it's become minus 1 5, its value equal to its value equal to 1 by 6, its value equal to 1 by 6. To check it is a correct PDF or not, so the area under the curve equal to 1, so that is area, रेक्टेंगल का इस रेक्टेंगल का एरिया कितना आ जाएगा आपका, रेक्टेंगल हाइट कितनी है इसकी, 1 by 6, and width कितनी है आपकी इसकी 6, that is equal to 1. So it's full. So it is the one-to-one transformation, or you can say linear transformation for a neighbor. So if there is a linear transformation, so if you put here Gaussian or uniform, uniform distribution, it's also used respectively Gaussian and uniform distribution. Okay, this note you have to memorize. If you in a linear transformation, if you enter a Gaussian undervariable or uniform distributed undervariable, the results produce same Gaussian and uniform distribution respectively, but with different variance and mean, with different variance and mean. Okay, now this, so another topic is many to one transformation, or it is called as non-linear transformation. So this topic we will discuss in the next class. Okay, so I stop my class here. Thank you.